Yeah, so I pulled this board from these fans because they went out and they charged actually the whole battery. I actually got it to work. I just gotta make it fixed. So this is gonna be like your best friend, the flux. Okay, they bonded. I'm gonna do this one. Same thing happened. That one, the board went out, but the batteries are still good because I got light. Got that one. Yeah, and the electricity, when I use it at night because it's less demanding and it costs less. If you use electricity during the day, then it costs more. Let's do it right there. Let's see. That's it. Got them all. It comes with a sponge. See that kit? You know, let me clean it like that. Oh, that's perfect. Ooh. Alright, so I got this on magnet charger. Light turns on. Let me see. from a flashlight head. And I got 3 or 6 cells on a flashlight head for security at night. Hold on, I'm gonna get the charger so you can see it. So this is part of my green act deal, saving the environment, recycling and stuff. Like I don't like waste, minimalist stuff, so it's good. You saw that? Then I hit the button, charging. Then the red should be blinking. So he's taking charge. And the light will get brighter. So now I just put this one together. This is a pouch. These are cylinder. This is 2 different types. You really want these. These are heavier duty. These are baby. These you can't even look at them, and you can't do anything to these. I'm like scared because these are so soft, but you know you can't waste it. Not that soft, but like this is like a brick compared to whatever this is. This is like a pouch. So like let's think of a milk and cardboard. Milk in a plastic jug, milk in a cardboard, basically. That's how like the hardness rock scale. HRC HRC on batteries. I mean that's real. Comes in my head. So I want to test this one now, real quick. I gotta watch it, and if it like swells up, in the trash. Usually these swell up faster than these. These always swell up. These suck. But you know, I know it from like experience and testing on my own, so I don't waste my money. Seeing how many subscribers I have, thank you. Later on, if I make a lot, I'll be giving stuff away. But like right now, I'm doing testing for y'all, so you don't have to like waste every single dollar and put it in the right person, or you know, save it, like help your family. I will test this one later for another video. Alright. This one's the security, so I gotta do some security stuff. I got another board. So I bought like 10 of these, and I was giving them out to people that are like less fortunate, like a fan to breathe. Give somebody hope, you know, like air, space. Air is space. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. Subscribe, hit like always. It helps us grow. I understand. Okay. Goodbye.